Okay, today we start with lecture 12, creation of secondary cost element, FS00. Okay, FS00. And that will be cafeteria charges. We'll copy this for 36. Okay, IMCO. Cafeteria charges. We double click this, it is highlighted, and we copy it. We copy it for continue, and this will be promotional expenses. Promotional expenses. Cost element category will be internal settlement. That will be available in control data. In control data, we have this 21 and internal settlement. And let's see what categories do we have. We have 111, and we don't have 111. 1 is for primary, 11 is for revenues, internal settlement, overhead rates, assessment, internal activity level. We've done all this in the previous lecture. You can view our videos for the previous lectures. Okay, cost element AED, everything is okay, and sort key B010, enter. Purchase order number, no, 001. Posting date, and we'll save it. Rest all of the settings actually are copied from cafeteria charges. Okay, data is saved. Let's go to the next one. Create cost center KS01 / means new KS01, and cost center will be IMC is the controlling area. Cost center 1017 01, sales and promotion. Enter. Okay. Gym category, sales and marketing. Sales and marketing, we'll keep this. Hierarchy will be the standard. IMCO. Profit center is black. Save. It will give us a warning. Just press enter and it will go away and it will save. Okay. Allocation structure, controlling internal orders, actual posting. Okay, this is saved. SPRO. Controlling internal orders. Actual postings. Settlement. Maintain allocation structures. What are allocation structures? Discuss this. Now basically, we actually maintain a hierarchy of elements, like source cost elements, that will be settled through settlement cost elements that we have already seen. That's category 21, that's why we have created 1036. Okay, so allocation structure, new entries. Okay, IM, which is allocation structure. Okay, and text is okay. Let's do this. Let's copy this. Allocation structure IMCO. Save. Save, continue, select allocation structure L1, double click on assignments folder, and new entry assignment LA1, text promotional expenses, save, okay. New entries assignment, okay. Oh, come on, why are you getting stuck here now? It's taking some time, but anyways. Double click on source. Source. Controlling area, enter cost element, advertising expenses, say continue. Revenue settlement cost elements, folder new entries button, settlement, name promotional expenses. So basically, it's basically supervising the settlement of advertising expenses, okay, from when these expenses will be reflected in the internal orders. So here are like 4 things. The expenses are getting captured here under this cost element in the internal orders, and that will be settled from the internal orders using this cost element. So that is basically the structure. Okay, that's why I maintain allocation structure. That is basically the concept of having allocation structures. Okay, and we are basically aligning cost elements, which are primary cost elements. Okay. Okay, and assignments, entries, IM, promotional expenses, and say. Oh, okay. Save. Okay, and in the source, we enter that cost element. From cost element, 400, 518. Save. Data was saved. Continue. Double click settlement cost elements folder. New entries. Receiver category is cost center. Receiver will be cost center. Now this by cost element is primary cost element, and settlement cost element is this one that we just created. Okay. Promotional expenses and save. Okay. Maintain settlement profile. Double click on maintain settlement profiles. Okay, no overlapping because cost centers, cost elements are not overlapping. We go back. We go back. And after this, we maintain settlement profile. Now we can maintain settlement profiles. Immediately assign change internal button next to number range. Number range interval. Yes button, continue. Continue. Click on LA2. LA2. Assign element to group button. Okay, assign element. Click on LA2. LA2. Let's find it. LA2. Promo events. Okay, promo events group, and it will be motor pool A. Motor pool A. Motor pool. Okay, we don't have motor pool, so I think the most nearest one is this one. A to Z. Okay, save. Maintain numbering for settlement documents, controlling internal actual posting settlement. Okay, master data, actual postings, settlement, maintain number ranges, settlement documents, SNUM. Okay, intervals, change group button, settlement docs, create group button. Okay, we have this number range. Okay. 02, 04. Groups. Create group button.
I've got a cold blood romance.
Settlement docs.
It's beautiful the way it all comes undone. You can see the end from a distance. I've got a way of getting everything I want, what he needs from me. I can see the way he's watching.
Okay, we have overlaps here. Let's see what are the. Okay, we have this and we have this 04 and 04 is there. Okay, already there, so we don't actually need this, but we can actually create 01, 2, 3, you create something along 4. Okay, 4.
I've got a cold blood romance. It's beautiful the way it all comes undone. You can see the end from a distance. I've got a way of getting everything I want, what he needs from me. I can see the way he's watching.
Interval already exists. IM. Click on new back button on assignment, click on LAP. Assign element group, this will be assigned to IM. Second box, IMCO. Okay. Save. Maintain number ranges for business transactions. KOAO can. The key code can, and for this transaction code, Actual settlement. You need the group. IMCO. Okay. Save. Creation of middle order settlement rule. Changes have been saved. T code KO01. Okay. Order create. Order type LA2. IM2. It will be IM2 because we've already created an order type in the previous step. Promo events. Okay, enter. Exhibition. IMCO. Exhibition stall. Company code. IMCO. Control data tab. The DBS element as well. Statistical order. No, it is not statistical. Do not select the checkbox for a real. A real one is one that catches and is settled and is using real quantities and numbers and values. That is the point. But a statistical is just for reporting. Go to menu settlement rule. Settlement rule. Cost center 1017 and settlement new rule button. Okay, IMCO. Allocation structure. Okay. Parameter overview. Okay. Category cost center. $1017 100. Valid from 01. Valid from here 2025 12 9. Save. Periodic settlement it will be, okay, which is per month, right? Distribution rule. Okay, distribution rule. Valid. Okay, we don't need this, it says. No, all the profit center accounting is active. Order was created. Save. Posting expenses. FB01L 400,518. This is the cost element. All right. 01. $400,518. Enter. Amount 18,000. Cost center blank. Order. IMCO. Advertising expenses. 200,691. So this is the order that is getting recorded. Display document overview. Enter. Advertising expenses. Post. Display IO report, which is internal order report, KOB1. Okay, KOB1, exhibition stall, IMCO, cost element is blank, and 01, execute. Okay, 18,000 has been recorded. Okay, now settlement KO88, current month, settlement period 01, because we recorded that in fiscal year to test run, check transactional data, execute detail list button. Okay, settlement executed, detail list, okay, cost center 1017 will get the amount from the internal order, which is in USD, is controlling area currency. Okay, so we remove test run, execute, because this is settlement 1, period 1. We recorded it. It's necessary because this is an important step, and many businesses actually get stuck in this. Okay, no errors, and this is the amount that will get settled that you've just seen in simulation. Okay, and 4896 accounting documents. So from IMCO, exhibition stall, accounting document, profit center, controlling document. So we have 3 documents that get generated. Okay, order gets created and cost center gets debited. Okay, through this cost element 1036. Okay, and this is the reference document number 40. Remember, we actually gave that numbering range. Okay, this is document number, this one, document date, document header, text, cost element is this, reference document number, which is 40, username is this. Okay, reversal document, and this is it. Okay, next, I give the list. So I've actually shown you how it is actually working. It is working. Okay, it is actually working. We've already shown you that. Okay, now display 3 documents were created. KOB1, KSB1 and KOB1, KOB1, and order, execute, and then KSB1 for this cost center will be execute. Okay, 18,000. Okay, and KSB1, posting date, execute. Okay, posting date to 18/10/2025. Let's see. Okay, 18,000 has been posted in 1017. Okay, and we'll see KOB1 also. Again, we have come back to this transaction again. Okay, this has been created. Okay, through this settlement, cost element, advertising expenses, and cost element is showing that this internal order through this settlement cost center was credited and the rest was sent to cost center. Okay, simple. It is the that was it for today. And we've seen quite a lot today. Allocation structure, internal orders, settlement receivers, running the settlement runs in simulation, and settlement cost elements. Through that we settle primary cost elements into cost centers using internal orders, right? So we have two carriers here. Internal order is carrying the primary cost elements cost, and that is then carried to cost center through settlement cost center. That's it. Thank you. Have a great day. We'll be back with the next one.